Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we've added improvements to self-service reporting via subscription, Qlik Sense Mobile, and Qlik Application Automation. We have enabled all Qlik Application Automation users the ability to trigger workflows via Qlik Cloud Services webhooks, and with a finer level of control. Users can now enable their workflows to be triggered when app events in Qlik Cloud occur. And with the built-in ability to filter on specific apps and spaces, they no longer need to build that logic into the flow, nor be a tenant admin. In addition, there is a new connector for Microsoft SharePoint, offering another cloud storage option for workflow integration and file management. With our self-service reporting via subscription, you can schedule document delivery of your most important insights directly to your inbox. Now, with the ability to add multiple sheets to your subscription. While subscribing to a sheet, simply choose the Add Sheet button to add an additional sheet, which will be delivered as a multi-page PDF document. In Qlik Sense Mobile, we have added the ability to flip charts to tables, allowing for better visibility of the underlying data. Users can see the precise values of every slice of the chart, and the table is optimized for performance, loading data super fast with infinite scrolling. And that is your SaaS in 60.